In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a streak in Snapchat. But before we do that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. So first, open up the Snapchat app. And then we want to take a picture. So I'm going to take a picture. And usually people either will draw an S to show that they want a streak, or they might type out a streak on there. So then with this picture, we're going to hit send to, and we're going to send it to somebody over here. So let's just say I want to send it to myself. Then I would press send, and once I send it, the other person has to view it and then send another one, and that will count as a streak. So if you have a fire emoji with a number on it, that is how many days it's been going on for. So if I have 255 with the fire emoji, my streak is 255 with that person of them sending me a snap and me sending them back a snap every single day. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, and comment with any questions you have. I will see you in the next video.